Hey guys, welcome back to Olive Grey Avenue. My name's Ruth and today I'm going to show you how to turn a champagne bottle into a beautiful self-watering bouquet.
I'm taking the empty champagne bottle and filling it completely with water. Next, I'll be showing you the string I'm going to be putting into it to actually do the self-watering.
I'm just going to braid it together and this will be what feeds our flowers. Now we're gonna take our wet floral foam and introduce it into some water.
There's wet and dry floral foam. The wet actually absorbs water like this. We need to soak it completely. I tried to start doing this project. I had floral foam. I didn't realize it was the dry floral foam, and then I had to start all over.
All soaked through. Now we're gonna get our champagne bottle. What we're gonna do is stick this rope into this block.
The rope is how the water gets from the champagne bottle into the floral foam.
Let's take our champagne bottle again, feed it down into the bottle. Then we're going to press down. So now you have bottle with the floral foam on top. The string is fed down into the water, not champagne. Now we're just going to be taking these flowers, sticking them straight into the floral foam.
I am not a floral designer, but I will tell you how I'm deciding where to place the flowers. First, you want to have a variety of flowers. Not all the same flower, not all the same color. Now all you're going to do is take your largest flowers, start with those and start placing them evenly around the flower foam. After that, you just work your way going smaller and smaller with the flowers. You just fill in the little pieces and eventually will fill up and be a beautiful bouquet.
First layer is done. It's very spacey, which is okay because we're gonna add more. We're taking the largest flowers and going down to smaller and smaller flowers.
These carnations are going to start filling in those big gaps.
I still have some red left, but I'm going to put some greenery and some of these tiny little flowers. Here it is. We are all done. And I even tied a little bow with this heart ribbon. It's so cute. So now the water in here is gonna get soaked up by the rope we had in there and it'll feed these flowers and keep them fresh. Happy Valentine's Day.